Hi, welcome. It's Anya, aka Shakti. Have you ever found yourself so angry that you could feel the heat radiating from your face, your heart pounding like a drum in your chest? Imagine if there was a way to channel that fiery energy into something transformative. Today, we are diving deep into the world of Kundalini Yoga, an ancient practice, but it's surprisingly relevant for our modern battles with anger. Understanding why Kundalini Yoga serves as an effective tool for managing anger could be the key to unlocking a peaceful, centered version of yourself. Let's get started on this journey from fury to freedom. Grab your mat, make yourself comfortable, and let's dive in. So what exactly is Kundalini Yoga? Think of it as the yoga of awareness. It's just not about physical postures, it's about awakening energy within. This might sound a bit out there, but hear me out. Kundalini Yoga works on the premise that we all have latent, powerful energy at the base of our spine. When activated, this energy travels up through the chakras or energy centers of our body, leading to spiritual awakening and inner peace. Now, you might be asking, what does this have to do with anger management or anger itself? Well, anger is a form of energy as well. It's powerful and can be destructive. Kundalini Yoga offers techniques to guide this energy into a positive direction, into action, rather than reaction. Let's explore some basic techniques that can help you get started. Before we do, let's talk about breath work, or in Kundalini Yoga, what we call pranayam. One simple technique I'm going to share with you is breath of fire. It's rapid, rhythmic, and involves equal inhale and exhales through the nose. Here's how you do it. Sit in a comfortable position with your spine straight, hands in Gya Mudra, so thumb and index pressed together. Start by exhaling forcefully through your nose and then inhale naturally. The exhale should be short and snappy, and the inhale will be automatic. Let's begin. Please inhale. Hold the breath. Exhale. Open your eyes if they were closed. You can do this breath anytime from 1 minute to 3 minutes, as often as you wish to. Next, we will look at the posture that is fantastic for channeling anger, the archer pose. Please come to standing, and your legs will be wide apart, as wide as possible for you. The left leg's gonna turn with the feet. The right leg is straight. You're gonna twist your upper body. You're gonna extend the left hand and fold the fingers, extend the thumb, and the right hand is going to pull the arrow, keeping the hand aligned with your shoulder and your elbow close to the body. You're gonna bend the left knee. You're gonna look at your thumb, and we're gonna begin breath of fire. We're gonna be here for 1 minute and we're gonna switch to another side. Let's begin. Please inhale. Hold the breath. Exhale, and let's reverse to the other side. And let's begin. If you can bend lower, continue. Inhale, hold the breath, stretch the right arm. Exhale, come out of a pose, lower the arms. And find your way to sit in easy pose. And just notice how you feel. Notice where the energy is flowing. Incorporating these techniques into your daily routine can awaken your inner energy, turning your anger into a source of strength and stability. Exploring Kundalini Yoga is like embarking on a journey within, where you discover tools for not just managing anger, but also enriching your life in ways you might not have imagined. Remember, the journey from fury to freedom isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. And Kundalini Yoga is like your training program, equipping you with these techniques to navigate the ups and downs of emotions. Embrace these practices with an open heart and mind, and witness the transformation within yourself. If you have found this video enlightening, don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your experience or any questions you might have. Embark on this journey to inner peace and see where it takes you. You might just find the freedom you've been searching for. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, Sat Nam.